Ladies and gentlemen, Whitley Green. Hi guys, welcome back. We're on cruise control today. We're not doing any work. Just wanted to give you an update. Look at the Vincas. Great. They're doing well. What about the Stepping Stone Gray? Very nice touch. Very nice. Solar lights? Oh yeah. It's the little things, guys. The little things. What about the steps and the stoops? This isn't a masterpiece. It's a Whitleypiece. Let's take a look at the mulch bed. Remember, it's called a Whitley. Sonic Boom wines. They look good. Of course they do. Of course. Annuals. What about the balloon flower here? Oh yeah. It's doing great. How about we go up? I didn't seal the paint. Not worried about it. All right. Look at my chair. Nice sitting area. Table, candles, got the pot for the Vinca, even a lighter for the candles. They're for mosquitoes. I think they work. I hope they do. Self-watering pots. Okay, outdoor mat. Welcome sign. I don't think we can do any better than this. I don't think. What about you? Come on down. The price is Whitley. Okay, I'll stop. Just joking. Spikes might need a little help. I'll take care of that. New additions. All right, rose bushes. These things are thriving. Walk with me. What else do we have going on? Oh, yeah. Got the dual lens hiseeu camera right above the window. Extra security. No political commentary. Got the in-ground solar light in between the little guy. We'll see what happens. I put down new mulch. I didn't think you want to sit through that. Got the edger with it. Come on, guys. Give me a little credit. What do you think? Leave your comments in the comment section. Time to head back. Got a concern, and of course by now you should know it's about the grass. We've been getting a lot of rain, high temps, humidity. Awful summer. Awful. One of the worst. Has to be. Hasn't been this bad in 30 years. I'll figure something out, but I got to keep my eye on this. I didn't make the situation any better because I was watering when all this was going on. I'll keep you posted. Well, you know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns, too. Bye.